Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna make these little wrist tattoo thingies. I'm using only my Imagic face and body paint, the black one, and the little painting brush to do them on my wrist. I wanted to make something bigger and more colorful, but I was feeling sick that day, and then I was looking up for some inspirations on the internet, and I saw these little wrist ones and I wanted to make them because they're so cute. As always say, I never want to make a tattoo. I'm just that type of person that I don't want, but I was like, if I feel like I want to make a tattoo for something or anything, yeah, I can't talk and express myself. I can paint one like this little note on my wrist. I was feeling so sick, my head was aching so badly, but I wanted to make this so badly, so I made it. My first concept was something on my shoulder, something bigger, but then I was like, I can't make that today, or I'm gonna make that on someone else later, cause that's gonna be epic then. So I'm waiting with that. And then I just do a little heart. I just painted some cute stuff, and I don't know where was I. So yeah, sorry for that. This is so bad. It's just so hard. I never did something like this before. I always do makeups on my face, so that was a little heart shape. And then I did something flower type, flower kind. You know, guys, that I can't paint really good, not perfectly, but um, in a pretty good level I can paint with body paint on myself, but it was so different and so challenging, the whole stuff. But that's okay, I love challenges and figuring out stuffs. But I wanted to make this for a long time, but I'm gonna make more tattoo themed makeups in the future. I decided that I want to make a bigger project too. I just need a model for that, because doing on myself it would be super challenging, but I wanted to make it look super crazy good, so I'm gonna find the model for that later, I think. But I loved doing this, and if you have any suggestion what should I do later on, feel free to comment it. I already have a bunch of ideas written down. I already know what I'm gonna do next Halloween, what kind of makeup videos, but if you have any suggestions, that's gonna be so much better than my own ideas, because you're my audience, you know what you want to see. So yeah, I made this cute little flower thingy. I was just goofing around, if I can say that, just playing with this idea and playing with what I can do and everything. I loved it so much, and it was easy because I just used a wipe and I wiped it, wiped down the whole stuff after it, and I could start draw the next thing. So it was super easy and cute, and I could do everything that I wanted. So it was super great. And I love these little wrist tattoos. They are so cute always, and not too much and everything. So it was super fun making these for myself on my wrist. And this little cat, it's I love cats so much. I have a cute little cat. I had cats before her, not too much, but I had a few. I'm a dog person, but I love cats so much, but only just my cats. Not every cat. So yes, I love my cat so much. Cats are so cute, but dogs are better, in my opinion. I love dogs more. But don't tell to me. Don't tell this my cat. Whoo! I still can't talk. I need to work on that. So yes, and I did a little mustache thing because it looks cool and funny and cute. And why not? I did this funnier thingy. It's really hard was filming this, doing this. I need to figure out a lot of stuff still. I need to learn things, so much things, but it's so good and so funny. I love doing this and I want to do more. And it was a great thing to try this, make this very educational, if I can say that. And the mustache was the last one that I made. So, as always, if you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There is a lots of link in the description that you should check out. Please leave some sweet comments and see you in the next video. Bye!